Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid in iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue that whenever you use Safari to open any page, you may see the error that the page cannot be opened or the address is invalid. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that the website address you're trying to enter is correct. There's not any mistake in that. If you find this, try to clear or try to correct your address. Or if you're having the issue that your address is correct but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go to your settings. The very first thing you can try to go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Or you can also try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. Then go to apps section here. Just look for Safari app here. Scroll down and look for the option of clear history and website data. Just select this, then tap on clear history. So once you have clear history and website data, it will clear all the bugs and viruses in your Safari browser because sometimes it might be that your website data includes any bug, so it can be fixed in the steps. Once you have done, you just have to go back and just retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to use any VPN. So sometimes it might be that the website you're trying to reach is not available in your country or region. So you can try to use a VPN to connect with a different server, and then you can retry to open the website, and this time you will not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.